There's two main causes of breast cancer: being female and getting older. Breast cancer is really common. It affects 1 in 8 women. If you're in a crowded cafe, if you look around, there'll be a handful of women in that cafe who've probably got breast cancer, about to get it, or being treated. We are aiming in the breast screening program to find small cancers less than 15 millimeters. That's before a woman can feel a lump, notice a lump. The only way to do that, on the whole, that's been proven, is by using mammograms. Every single mammogram is read by 2 different radiologists or film readers. We aim to do that within 2 weeks. That's a long time. If you've ever had to wait for something for 2 weeks, it'll be on your mind every single day.
In the back of your mind, you're constantly thinking, this could be really serious. And it stays with you, that worry stays with you constantly.
It was like this black cloud that you're carrying around.
As a typical breast screening radiologist, I'm supposed to read 5,000 mammograms every single year. And I have 4 hours a week to do my 5,000. So rather than spending time just looking at the mammograms, it would be useful if I had a tool that helped me with that work. Hello there, I'm Dr. Reddy, nice to meet you. Do come through, please bring your things. The earlier you can find breast cancer, the better the outcome, and that is unequivocal. And whenever you go for a screening test, what do you or I want to know? We want the result. For us, it's a short time, we're under pressure to get the result out. For the woman, it will probably feel like 2 months.
There's this backlog of cases to look at, and you have this equation of how do we catch up?
So introducing technologies like AI algorithms is going to be the next evolution to turn around the reporting time.
The prevalence of breast cancer is going up. We know we have a technology that can pick those cancers up, and we have a solution for those cancers. AIMS is the trial that is artificial intelligence in mammography screening. We had Google, who offered all the technical muscle to really deliver our aspirations to get this algorithm into patient care.
So I would call this a M5 malignancy. The AI has also detected the cancer in the right breast at the same point that the first reader has detected the cancer. It's a good example of where AI might collaborate with us and help to confirm something that I've already seen. Or if it's a more subtle abnormality and I've missed it, what I'm hoping for is the AI might be able to say to me, I'm worried about this, what do you think about it? And I really want to be using it like another human reader.
No one before had been able to stick an AI in a 2-reader system and then have an arbitration panel look at those. And we were able to show that it was quite efficacious. We could implement it real time into the NHS. This is a technology that could really be transformative for patient care and mammograms and screening across the whole United Kingdom, if not across the world.
To not have to wait for those results would have changed things massively.
It would have taken away so much anxiety and angst.
Ultimately, what AI is going to help me do is get through my volume of work quickly. The joy of the job comes from being with the patient, because that's where you can do some good.